Very good morning to all of you, my dear students. In this video, we are going to explore spinal cord and nerves, which are the further parts of our nervous system. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look that about of what we are going to explore today. Okay, the upper yellow small portions are the brains of. Actually, it's only one human being, but the photo is taken in four different angles to show you how the spinal cord runs along the body and how the nerves are distributed all across the body. Isn't it interesting? So many systems we have now in our body. Okay. So this one is the head office of all the systems. Okay. Now let's see how does it branches works. So the very first thing is the spinal cord. This is a backbone inside which the spinal cord resides. Okay. The spinal cord is the continuation of the medulla oblongata. As we have discussed that it is the beginning of the spinal cord, since spinal cord is the continuation of medulla oblongata, the stem brain. Okay. It is a tube-like structure and runs inside the vertebral column. Inside the vertebral column, there is a hole in each of the 33 vertebrae, and the spinal cord moves through all of those holes and is present on our back. Okay. Now we have it has a small canal called the central canal in the center. Its role and purpose we don't know till now, but it looks like this. The central canal, there is a small hole present in between the spinal cord and it runs from right to the top to the bottom. All the 33 vertebrae it goes on, and it's called the central canal. This much only we have to understand. Okay. Then you understood this much, no problem till now. Okay. Then we have major functions of the spinal cord. What are the major functions of the spinal cord? Let's see. The spinal cord is concerned with reflex action. Now what is a reflex action? Responses that are automatic and spontaneous and takes place without the involvement of the brain are called reflex action. In CBSE 10th it is very well explained. I will tell you the example only. Let's see, there is a hot iron or something very hot kept there, and you are simply going la 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 la, and your hand accidentally touch. What happens? You simply pull your hand back and then look for what was there. Isn't Have you noticed it? Without even knowing that your hand is burning or something hot is there, the action of pulling hand happens first, and then we notice what's there. You are walking and something pinches in your leg, you remove your leg first and then see what happens. That means the action of removal happened first and then the information went to the brain. How does it happen exactly? I will tell you. Let's say something hot I touched with my hand. The information from my hand runs along directly to the spinal cord, and one message goes to the brain, and other from here only, I mean from the middle part, back part only, spinal cord only, is sent to the hand, that it is, no matter what happens, no matter what the brain tells, but immediately you first of all remove it, because whatever information is going through me is absolutely not accepted. This type of temperature, this type of damage is absolutely not accepted, and it will be very dangerous to even spend 1 millisecond more. So immediately you first of all remove that hand, and then when the message goes to the brain, till then the hand is removed, and then the brain sends the message to inquire, see, assess the damage, see why it happened, remove that cause, be cautious. All those things happens later. So this action which happens reflexly, that's called a reflex action. It is always coordinated, controlled by the spinal cord before going because whenever the message, let's say in our foot it is, okay, and from the foot it comes came to the spinal cord, from the bottom of the spinal cord. But it will take some time na, to from there to go to the head, and then from the response, if the response comes from brain, then this much length have to cover two times. And if it is burning, really burning, then it will damage it a lot. So it is from the spinal cord only the message is gone, to first of all remove it, and then the brain is informed, and then according to the brain further actions are taken. So this type of action is called a reflex action. Okay. It conducts uh, impulses from the muscles and skin to the brain. Okay. So brain is a uh, lot of thick connection of nerves, which let's say highway of nerves. Okay, these are street roads, the nerves, and the spinal cord is the highway. Okay. It conducts impulses from the brain to the muscle of the limbs and trunk, every organ also. Okay, so whenever brain have to send some information, first of all it will go to the spinal cord, and from spinal cord it will emerge out and go to the organ. And if anything happened anywhere in the body, the message will first reach spinal cord and then go to the brain, because it's faster, it's national highway. If you have to go from here to Patna, you can go by other districts also, like taking turns from here then there, then from there then turn there, then from there, and or you can choose the simple road, the highway which is there to go to Patna. So what will you choose? What do we always choose? We choose the highway, national highway, because it's better, it's broader, it's faster. Okay, so similarly the spinal cord works to carry the information and for the reflex action. Okay, these two things are being done here. I hope you understand. Now let's explore the nerves. These are the nerves, my dear students, very beautifully arranged in the body to carry out informations. Okay, a dense network of thread-like structure called nerves from form a part of the nervous system. Okay, nerves form a part of the nervous system. They are dense thread-like structures of neurons, nerve cells. They carry message to and from the brain and the spinal cord, both of them. Okay, because let's say if the muscles I'm speaking, okay, I'm speaking, my mouth is here, my brain is here, but the spinal cord is here. So my brain is nearer than the spinal cord. I'm seeing for my eyes, my brain is nearer than the spinal cord. Then why will that message first go to spinal cord? Will it? No, that will directly go to brain because it's nearer. Okay, so they carry message either from the brain or from the spinal cord. Okay. Okay. Nerves are of three types, namely sensory, motor, and mixed nerves. Okay. What are these three types and what functions do they perform? Let's explore. First of all is sensory nerve. It looks like this, not given in the book, but I have found this picture on the internet, so I am sharing it. First of all, this is sensory nerve. Just to show you that all of these three nerves looks different. They are really different from one another, structurally different from one another. They carry impulses from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Okay, so that's incoming nerves, sensory nerves. They sensed something and informed the brain through either directly to the brain or through the spinal cord. Okay. These nerves helps us feel pain and other sensations. Okay, feel pain and other sensations. Then we have motor nerves. Motor, the term motor itself says something related to movement. So they carry impulses from brain and spinal cord to the muscles and glands. Okay, they will carry information to move. So they are responsible for movement. That's why they are called motor nerves. To give order, if, let's say I'm moving this hand, then which nerve is giving, I thought that I have to move this hand, and my brain sent signal and it moved. Then which nerve carries the signal and it moved? So which nerve carried this signal? This nerve, motor nerve, and allows me to move my hand. Okay, let's see. Signal. Is it interesting? Very interesting. These nerves control muscle contraction allowing movements such as walking, kicking, wiggling fingers. All those things are done by motor nerves. That means all the physical activities and all the glandular functions, secretions, okay, are taking place with the help of motor nerves. It is carrying out output output from the brain and giving the output to the body organs and glands. Okay. Then we have mixed nerves. Oh, okay. I am sorry. I have forgot to write mixed here. It's I have copied this slide to keep it same and I left it. I forgot it. Here it will be mixed nerves on the top. Okay, here it is written mixed neuron. Okay, they carry impulses both way from the brain and the spinal cord to the muscles and glands and from the sense organs to the brain and the spinal cord. Okay, so mixed nerves are those nerves which are not dedicated for only carrying one type of information. They are free because our body is a very complex set of machine, my dear students. No matter how advanced our sciences has become, no matter how many decades we have spent to understand the whole functionality of the body, still there is much more to explore. Okay, so mixed nerves are generally those nerves which carry messages from both sides. Okay, simple messaging nerves. Okay, I hope you understand the basic concepts and functions related to all of these parts of the nervous system. And if you have any doubt or confusion in any of these parts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to solve all of them. Thank you very much.